A former Goldman Sachs executive, Raoul Pal, has shown his bullishness about XRP. He says XRP will grow extensively despite the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. In today's video, we shall discuss Raoul Pal. XRP will still make millionaires despite the lawsuit. XRP News. Ripple is a money transfer network designed to serve the financial services industry's needs. It is one of the most secure networks for transactions between firms and individuals. Ripple is friendly to some fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. XRP, on the other hand, is the aboriginal cryptocurrency used by the Ripple network, and it is listed among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The most extended lawsuit in the crypto market so far has been in session since December 2022, when the SEC accused the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, of illegally selling XRP tokens without the approval or authorization of the suitable bodies. According to the SEC, the illegal sale of the tokens is a breach of security, but Brad says XRP is not security, so he pleads not guilty. However, this case has been in and out of court for 2 years. Not only is Ripple one of the secure networks for transactions, but the XRP has also outperformed most of its peers. Stay tuned to know more details. However, Ripple had some amicus briefs in their favor, which made everyone think the case would be over soon. An amicus brief is a legal document brought to court that contains advice on a case from an individual or institution that is not directly involved in the case. Remember to subscribe to this channel to learn more about the XRP coin and other cryptocurrencies. The former Goldman Sachs executive, Raoul Pal, believes Ripple's lawsuit will end soon, with Ripple winning the case against the SEC. Raoul Pal is also optimistic that although the suit has caused Ripple Labs some funds, XRP will rise and investors will gain profits in no time. He already predicted that by the end of 2022, XRP would sell at $10, which is a very high expectation considering the current XRP share price of $0.33, which is not up to $1. His bullishness is based on the fact that XRP has outperformed most of the cryptocurrencies on the market since the beginning of October 2022. Pal says it's likely that the court case will be resolved positively and the XRP price will climb the ladder, which he is highly optimistic about. Although the XRP is not yet trading at $1, it has risen up to $0.39. We shall discuss this in a bit. He said XRP is doing its bidding and serving as a means of transactions, and he has no problems with the coin. He says Americans are not buying XRP because it was taken off the exchange list after the SEC filed the case against Ripple. The unauthorized sale of the XRP tokens is said to have generated about $1.3 billion in profits. With the 12 amicus briefs filed in favor of Ripple, SEC seems to be the long case, but that is still being determined now. Surprisingly, after investors heard that 12 amicus briefs had been filed in favor of Ripple, investors became rich as they believed Ripple would win the case against SEC. Coinbase is among the institutions that filed an amicus brief in favor of Ripple. The XRP price surged on 15th November to as much as $0 and $3,973 in the early hours of the day. This has made Raoul Pal more optimistic than ever, as his predictions seem to be coming to light. As already predicted by Pal, XRP investors have begun buying into XRP, which means more profitability, hence a spike in stock price. The end will make profits for anyone who buys XRP before the court case is resolved amicably and in favor of Ripple. Please note that this channel's contents do not represent professional financial advice. Always do your research before you invest. Raoul Pal is not only bullish on XRP. Still, he believes cryptocurrency, in general, is good business, as he mentions that the cryptocurrency market has seen a surge since it first existed. A lot of people have adopted doing transactions with cryptocurrencies. Raoul believes that the XRP coin will do better in no time because he is optimistic the court will rule in favor of Ripple. Also, investors have started rushing in already as the coin has surged. Pal says although there is a lawsuit against Ripple, investors will not stop investing or buying XRP, which means XRP will still make some millionaires court case or not. The sixth best performing cryptocurrency by market cap is beloved to make millions for its investors in 2023. Investors who believe in long-term profit margins can take this opportunity to invest in XRP, as Raoul thinks it will make a millionaire soon. His bullishness on the XRP coin is so admirable. The coin is not even up to $1, yet he is optimistic that by the end of 2022, XRP will trade at $10. With his bullishness about the market, could his predictions for 2023 be wrong, as they are somewhat outrageous? We have the answer to your questions in this video. Could Raoul Pal be wrong about XRP price predictions for 2023? Thank you for your time. See you in another video.